to day 11 of the 12 days of sticker kits. This is actually probably one of my favorite kits, at least in terms of colors, and I will show you guys why, obviously. So the Cozy Kit is actually it's a very soft, neutral kit for, you know, cold weather or like in transition from like either winter to spring or fall to winter. I just figured that everyone could use a different kit. This kit specifically was pretty much in mind of like different seasons, but you can still use them year round type of thing. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I did print out just the 4-page kit and the washi sheet. I think I did, I can't remember, because of the new planner I'm using for next year, which I will also make a video of as a flip through. But anyway, that is it for day 11. Stay tuned for day 10 tomorrow. Also, make sure you check out the description down below for the 12 days of deals.